template in here for...
Got original 1953 Chevrolet truck radio. We completely restored it. Put a new speaker in it. It is now stereo. All this is new, and the face and all. The original Chevrolet dial faces in it. You do have an option. I do have new ones, but they just don't look as good as the original. This one here, you can see a few hairline cracks in behind it. That's actually in the plastic, but I think it looks more original with that in it. We'll get a little closer look at that. We've done a conversion on it. It's 12 volt, negative ground. It's AM FM stereo with auxiliary in. It is stereo because we have a DVC in here, 200 watt max. Right now you're on FM. You have a little stereo LED right there and an operating LED in the background there. That kind of basically guides you where the radio is at. Push buttons work like they always did, and your presets.
Switches.
Water heaters is the middle.
If you want to go to AM radio, just simply turn it off and right back on. Takes you to AM radio. Off and right back on, takes you right back to stereo. Your auxiliary in is sitting there listening for anything to come into it. So if you like a phone, iPod, CD player, satellite radio, whatever you'd like to plug into it, you'll get a two-piece harness. This is one that you can put underneath the edge of the truck where nobody can see it. A lot of people like to put it right underneath the edge of the dash. And you'll get a male-to-male to it. And simply, if you want to go to auxiliary in, play your favorite music, just turn your device on. Well, I had that off. We'll let it turn on. Show you how to work your treble and bass. This one has a toner switch in it, so we kept it as a toner switch. So all you do is you turn this switch all the way over. Now your volume knob is your treble and bass. You find what you want where you want to set it, just flip it back. Now you're back on volume and off and on. Auxiliary in, now we got it fired up. All you do is basically just turn it on. It goes straight to it.
It's gonna be funky.
Good sounding little stereo.
Feeling the way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart.
Your teardrops here have been painted. I don't have this color or this color. These are up to you. You want to paint them to match the dash or whatever you want to do. They're metal. They're just painted a kind of a tan right now. But it's ready to go. You'll get the cables, the harness pre-labeled for you. You do have 2 more channels that you can use. It also has a pre-out for the rear, right, and left, and a sub if you would like to add that. That's something you can think about later on.
All this time I was finding myself, and I didn't know I was wrong.
Other than that, it's a very clean, good-looking radio. I appreciate you letting me do it for you. When you get ready to come off your auxiliary in, all you have to do is just turn it off. You don't have to unplug it. I'm going to unplug this one. And in 20 seconds, the radio will cycle back around to where you had it. If you don't want to wait to 20 seconds, just simply turn it off and right back on. Original 1953 Chevrolet truck radio. Hope you enjoy it. Appreciate you letting me do it for you. Thank you.